How 100 push-ups a day will transform your body. Push-ups are one of the oldest and most effective strength training exercises. They require no equipment, can be performed anywhere, and work multiple muscle groups at once. But what happens if you commit to doing 100 push-ups a day? Will your body actually change? The short answer, yes, but how it changes depends on your form, consistency, and lifestyle. In this article, we'll break down the science-backed benefits of daily push-ups, the potential risks to watch out for, and variations you can try to keep progressing. The benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day. Daily push-ups don't just build strength in your arms, they transform multiple aspects of your health and fitness. Here are 10 major benefits explained in detail. 1. Your posture gets better. Poor posture is a common problem caused by weak core and back muscles. Push-ups strengthen your core, shoulders, and upper back, which are all critical for keeping your body upright. Over time, doing push-ups consistently can help your body naturally adopt a healthier posture, reducing slouching and the strain it places on your spine. 2. Your core becomes stronger. Push-ups engage the rectus abdominis, six-pack muscle, and the transverse abdominis, deep stabilizing muscle. A strong core isn't just about aesthetics. It improves balance, supports your spine, and prevents lower back pain. Keeping your core tight during each rep ensures maximum benefit. 3. Your upper body gains strength. Every push-up recruits your chest, shoulders, triceps, and biceps. Doing 100 reps daily strengthens these muscles, making everyday tasks like lifting groceries or carrying heavy bags easier. Over time, you'll notice improved strength and muscle endurance. 4. Your muscle definition improves. Because push-ups activate multiple muscle groups, they stimulate the release of human growth hormone, HGH, which supports muscle growth. With regular practice, push-ups improve muscle definition in your arms, chest, and shoulders, giving you a more toned appearance. 5. You burn more calories. Push-ups are a compound movement, meaning they work several muscles at once. This requires a higher energy output compared to isolation exercises. Doing 100 push-ups daily can help boost calorie burn, which supports fat loss when combined with proper nutrition. 6. Push-ups reduce the risk of falling. The pushing motion mimics how your body naturally reacts to breaking a fall. By strengthening your upper body and reflexes, push-ups make you more resilient, especially as you age. This reduces the risk of serious injuries caused by falls. 7. Your balance and flexibility improve. Lowering your body during a push-up stretches your back muscles, while pushing upward engages and extends the biceps. Over time, these movements improve flexibility. Additionally, the stability required to perform push-ups properly enhances balance and coordination. 8. Your joints receive better support. Push-ups strengthen the muscles around the shoulder joint, helping to stabilize it. This reduces the risk of dislocations and shoulder-related injuries. Stronger supporting muscles also protect the elbows and wrists. 9. Your bones become stronger. Push-ups are a weight-bearing exercise which helps increase bone density. This reduces the risk of osteoporosis and fractures later in life. Like resistance training, the stress applied to bones during push-ups signals them to grow stronger and denser. 10. Your cardiovascular health improves. Push-ups increase your heart rate because multiple large muscles work together at once. This boosts cardiovascular endurance and helps improve circulation. Over time, push-ups may contribute to lower blood pressure, better cholesterol levels, and a reduced risk of heart disease. The risks of doing 100 push-ups a day. While push-ups have countless benefits, there are also potential downsides to repeating the same movement daily without variation or proper form. 1. Risk of injury. Poor form can place unnecessary stress on the shoulders, leading to injuries like impingement. Always keep your hands shoulder width apart, core engaged, and elbows at a 45-degree angle to the body. 2. Possible back pain. Arching your lower back during push-ups often leads to discomfort. Weak core muscles can also cause strain. To avoid this, keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. 3. Workout plateau. Doing the same 100 push-ups every day can cause your progress to stall. Muscles adapt quickly, so without progressive overload or variation, growth slows down. Mixing up your routine is key to long-term results. Push-up variations to keep progressing. To avoid plateaus and continue building strength, try incorporating these variations into your daily routine. 1. Wide push-up. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart. This variation emphasizes the chest and shoulders. 2. Narrow diamond push-up. Bring your hands close together under your chest, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. This move targets the triceps and inner chest. 3. Knuckle push-up. Perform push-ups on your knuckles instead of palms. This variation strengthens the wrists and forearms while also building punching power for martial artists. 4. Clapping push-up. Push off the ground explosively and clap before landing. This develops power, fast-twitch muscle fibers, and upper body explosiveness. Mixing these into your workout keeps things challenging and prevents your body from getting too comfortable with the same movement. Conclusion. Committing to 100 push-ups a day can transform your body in remarkable ways. You'll build strength, improve posture, enhance cardiovascular health, and even reduce the risk of future injuries. However, like any fitness routine, balance is key. Poor form, overtraining, and lack of variety can hold you back or cause injuries. If you're just starting, don't feel pressured to hit 100 reps right away. Begin with smaller sets, focus on form, and gradually build up. Combine push-ups with other exercises and a balanced diet to maximize results. In the end, push-ups remain one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises you can do. With consistency, discipline, and smart variations, 100 push-ups a day can indeed change your body and your health for the better.